This is a 32-inch IVA LED TV panel. I have powered on the panel to check its display condition. Now when I touch the screen after turning the power on, you can clearly see white blank spots appearing wherever I press. These white blanks are not normal. A good panel should not show any color distortion or white patches. The panel has finally arrived. Now let's check it here. Here is the motherboard. The motherboard model number VSTP 53U73. We are checking if this is any fault on this board. Now let's follow the LVDS cable as it goes to the scalar board. This cable transits the video signals from the motherboard to the scalar board. To check its model number is important for troubleshooting or replacing the cable if needed. The scalar board model number LSC320AN09. Scalar board model number. When the panel is powered on, this line should show a 3.3 volt reading. This 3.3 volts is necessary to ensure proper operation of the panel. If this voltage is missing or unstable, the panel may not function correctly, even if all other components are fine. Now I am checking the 12 volt power supply on the scalar board. I am also measuring the voltages on the IC pins that have 8 connections. Twelve voltage, okay. Eight pins connection. Voltage is 3 voltage. This ensures that the scalar board is receiving proper power and that the IC is functioning correctly. Now I am checking the VCC logic voltage. It should read 3.3 volts. Now I am checking the VGH voltage. The reading should be at least 22 volts. If the voltage is below this minimum, it can cause problems with the panel's operation. Ensuring the VGH voltage is correct is crucial to avoid display issues. Now I am checking the AVDD voltage. The AVDD line typically should read around 5 volts depending on the panel specification. If the voltage is lower than the required value or missing the display may not function correctly. casing issues such as no image, flickering or white blank spots on the screen. Now I am checking the 4 dots next to the 8-pin IC and there is no voltage present. If these test points do not show the required voltage, the IC and the associated circuitry may not function properly. After checking all the voltages including VGS, AVDD, VCC and the IC test points, it is clear that none of the readings are within the required ranges. Now finally we need to cut the CKV lines. It is important to note that lines with an indicator should not be cut. Only the lines without an indicator should be cut. Similarly, lines that do not carry voltage should be the ones we cut. This ensures that the panel is repaired safely without damaging critical circuits. Thank you.